How do Azure Managed Disks abstract Page Blobs for VMS? Imagine you are using a virtual machine in the cloud and need reliable storage for your data. You want it to be simple, scalable, and secure without managing the storage details yourself. That's where Azure Managed Disks come into play. They are a way to give your virtual machines a storage volume that acts just like a physical disk but is managed entirely by Azure. Now, under the surface, these disks are built on something called Page Blobs in Azure Storage. Page Blobs are a special type of storage optimized for random read and write operations. They are perfect for storing virtual hard disk files that virtual machines use to run. Each managed disk you create in Azure is actually a page blob stored in Azure Storage. But here is the clever part. You don't have to deal with these page blobs directly. Azure manages all of that behind the scenes. When you create a managed disk, Azure automatically creates and scales the corresponding page blob for you. It handles the distribution across the storage infrastructure, so your data stays safe and accessible. This abstraction means you don't need to worry about creating storage accounts or managing individual blobs. Azure takes care of all that, making it easier to add or remove disks from your virtual machines. It also improves reliability because Azure spreads the data across multiple storage nodes, reducing the chance of failure. Plus, features like snapshots for backups, encryption for security, and integration with availability zones are all built into managed disks without extra effort from you. From a cloud perspective, this approach aligns with best practices for managing persistent storage. It offers a consistent performance level, whether you are running small test environments or large production workloads. Compared to other cloud providers like Amazon Web Services or Google Cloud, Azure's managed disks similarly hide the complexity of underlying storage mechanisms, making operations straightforward and predictable. For DevOps teams, this means automation becomes easier. You can use APIS or command line tools to create, attach, or detach disks without touching the storage layer directly. Security is also enhanced because encryption at rest is built in, and network isolation options like private link help keep your data protected. In short, Azure Managed Disks use page blobs as their foundation but hide all the complicated storage management from users. They provide a reliable, scalable, and secure block storage solution for virtual machines, fitting seamlessly into cloud infrastructure and automation workflows.